As per our ongoing Cosmos cost forecast, the worth of Cosmos will expanded by 255.11%, coming to $25.73 by end of 2025. All specialized pointers demonstrate that the sort of current feeling is bullish, while the apprehension and ravenousness record in a real sense is perusing 37.00. And that implies intense trepidation. Our Cosmos conjecture: it's great to purchase Cosmos at the present time. On September 17, 2023, practically generally specialized examination pointers flagged bullish signs, while different markers flagged negative signs, showing a very broad bullish opinion among Cosmos cost expectations. See the genuinely accurate Cosmos cost expectation underneath. You will know how in every way that really matters. Much Cosmos is somewhat worth in the next few long stretches of time. Over the most recent 30 days, Cosmos has diminished by 5.38%. Because of this, we can by and large get with the exception of a sort of slight recuperation in the approaching month. Toward the finish of September, the worth of Cosmos expanded by 117.87%. And came to approach around $15.50 in a truly significant manner. As of now, all markers in every practical sense are demonstrating bullish zone, and the trepidation and ravenousness record shows 37.00. Sort of intense feelings of dread. As per our figure, this isn't the ideal opportunity to purchase Cosmos. At present, Cosmos is exchanging underneath the 200 kind of straightforward moving normal in opposition to prevalent thinking. Throughout the previous 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA has shown a Cosmos purchasing signal. The cost of Cosmos is right now running beneath the 50-day pretty straightforward moving essentially normal SMA, and it shows a sell genuinely signal. As per every specialized pointer, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will hit $9.82. Toward the finish of December in a significant manner. By December 2023-2024, Cosmos S transient 50-day SMA shows as $7.62, which really is very critical. The overall strength file, RSI, energy oscillator, is a well-known marker that signals whether a digital money by and large is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70, in an unpretentious way. RSI is as of now at her Civilu. This demonstrates that the atom market is in an impartial position. Cosmos value expectation 2023 in the principal 7-day stretch of January 2023. Cosmos came to $13.90 when it dipped under $9.32, interestingly since January 2021, in a genuinely enormous manner. As per the financial backers and market sends out, Cosmos, in a real sense, is headed to passing the $15.53 mark before the current year is over, which truly is very critical. Before $15.53, it might break its sign of $44.70, and for the most part reach. As per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, Cosmos will break its past all-time exceptionally high of $44.70, and hold somewhere in the range of $15.06 and $15.53 soon, which is very huge. At this point, on 17 September 2023, Cosmos most certainly is exchanging at $7.11, and its 24-hour exchanging volume by and large is around 53.17 M, and it makes number 25 money in the entire crypto world in an unpretentious way. Cosmos value expectation 2024. There is plausible that Cosmos can get through the $18.16 obstruction and hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The least Cosmos cost will be between $15.27 to $18.16, and the most probable Cosmos cost will commonly be consistent at around $17.16 toward the finish of 2024. Despite Cosmos S, especially wild swings in esteem, and the contention encompassing its Earth antagonistic energy utilization, very rich person financial speculator Tim Draper is adhering to his forecast that Cosmos will reach $18.16 toward the finish of 2024, or in every practical sense, mid-2024. Cosmos value forecast 2025 by 2024. Market investigators and specialists anticipate that Atom will begin the year at $20.97 and exchange around $25.73. As indicated by their expectations, this would be very certainly high contrasted with last year, in spite of mainstream thinking. This is actually an okay leap in Bitcoin in an unobtrusive way. Cosmos Value Expectation 2026. There is a decent opportunity that Cosmos 2026 value forecast will twofold in cost. Yet it is likewise conceivable that it may not especially arrive at its normal most extreme $32.36 level in an unobtrusive manner. Cosmos in a real sense is anticipated to arrive at an untouched pretty high of $31.56 or $32.36 in 2026. And it could truly be the extended time of Cosmos amazingly. Cosmos Value Expectation 2027. Cosmos Value Forecast, or ATOM, will encounter gigantic development in 2027, as it in a real sense has the really potential to accomplish new highs. As far as price tags and market cap, Cosmos' cost especially is supposed to outperform $32.36 in 2027. It truly has been most certainly anticipated that Cosmos will arrive at the greatest cost of $32.36. And the base cost is supposed to basically be around $27.33 in the really next a long time from 2027. Cosmos Value Forecast 2028. Market examiners and specialists foresee essentially say that Cosmos Value Expectation in specialized examination, Cosmos explicitly is supposed to cross a value level of $35.55 in 2028. In the interim, Cosmos is supposed to explicitly arrive at any rate cost of $33.77 this year. The greatest cost might reach $38.51. Cosmos Value Expectation 2029. By the start of 2029, the Cosmos Value Forecast and Specialized Examination truly anticipate that the expense of Cosmos will reach $52.28, and the cost of Atom ought to reach $52.28 before the year's over. What's more, Atom can reach up to $47.96 in cost in an unpretentious manner. From 2024 to 2029, delay will bring critical years for Cosmos development. Cosmos Value Expectation 2030. Of every 2030, Cosmos Value Forecast are supposed to especially cross the $72.58 normal cost level, as indicated by Cosmos figure in specialized investigation. Toward the finish of 2030, Cosmos' base cost is supposed to truly be $69.35. Furthermore, Atom can in a real sense arrive at a greatest value level of $74.36 in a very significant manner. Toward the finish of 2030,